allá.
How do we know where mammals come from? By comparing them to all other organisms that have ever lived on Earth. Scientists look closely to see what organisms have in common and how they are different. At first, the process is simply about sorting organisms by the traits they share. Eventually, the sorting produces a kind of family tree. Here, for example, are all the animals with backbones. Some of the ones with backbones also have jaws. Within this group, some animals have 4 limbs with digits. And some of those produce special eggs that resist drawing out. Among these organisms, one group has a characteristic skull opening. Some of the animals in this last group also possess features such as keels and a palate separating the nasal passage from the mouth. Finally, a relatively small number display a unique set of traits which include hair, the ability to suckle their young, 3 bones in the middle ear, and a mouth equipped with different kinds of teeth for different jobs. Scientists call this last group mammals. So, now we know some of the characteristics that make a mammal a mammal. But how did mammals come to have these characteristics? They inherited them from an ancestor. Using this logic, we can start to understand where mammals come from. Because organisms inherit features from their ancestors, it follows that organisms that share features share an ancestor. So, because mammals share certain unique features with other cynodonts, we know that the ancestor of mammals was a cynodont. And because cynodonts share certain unique features with other synapsids, we know their ancestor was a synapsid. Using this same theory, we know that the synapsids descended from an amniote. The amniotes are a specialized group that shares a tetrapod ancestor. The tetrapods are a unique group of nathostomes whose common ancestor, in turn, was a vertebrate. To visualize these evolutionary relationships, scientists construct a diagram, like a family tree, called a cladogram. Cladograms can show us the phylogeny, or evolutionary history, not only of mammals, but of every living thing, past and present.